Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial for our brand new custom web store, powingpromos.gigabitprint.com, where you can customize hundreds of different products including blankets, polo shirts, t-shirts, coffee mugs, with no minimums, no setup charges, flat rate, ships right to your door within 3 to 5 days, and you can customize it with text, clip art, logos, or pictures. So here we are at our main website, powingpromos.com. What you're going to do is scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a box over here, visit our custom web store. If you click on that, it'll take you right to our new site. Here it is, you can see in the top corner there, powingpromos.gigabitprint.com. And here is going to be a little rundown right here at the top of what you need to do to order. If you need any questions, our email address, our phone number is on there. And it also gives new users an idea of what they need to do. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in at the top, right here at the top right hand corner. You're going to sign in and it's going to ask you to register a free account. We won't spam your email box with any promos or anything like that. It's just so you can log in and be able to upload your own images if you choose to do so. Kids soccer team, your grandkids, anything like that. So once you do that, you'll come back here to the home page, and if you scroll down, it'll give you all the rundown of the different products that are offered here. You can see the different types of categories. There's all sorts of different products in each category. So what we're going to do today is we are going to show you how to customize an order and how to place the order and get it shipped directly to you. So what I'm going to show you today is a simple product. It's just a coffee mug. So you want to come down here, select coffee mugs, and it brings up all the different types of mugs that we have to offer at this site. So we'll choose the first one, plain white coffee mug. And sometimes with this site there's a lot of things going on, so it will take a minute for things to load. So you don't have to refresh, you don't have to hit anything. If you hit any extra things, it might take it a little bit longer. But there you can see kind of a sample of one of the coffee mugs that you can do with the full wrap, the really nice picture on there of a football team. So first you'll want to click close, and then over here at the top left is where you can upload your images. If you have images already saved, when you have an account registered, all your images will be saved right here. You can do templates, clip art, and text. I'll show you that here in a little bit. So what you want to do, if you have a logo or you have an image that you want to use, go to upload image, read the fine print here, 300 dpi, JPEG or PNG files. You need to click these two. I understand the above requirements. I have read and understand the copyright declaration. And then click upload my image, and it'll take you to a space where you can pull something off your computer. So we're gonna select a picture. You'll hit upload. It'll take just a minute for it to come up, and then you can see the different pictures that we have available over here. So I'm gonna select the picture that I want, and then it'll place it on the product. You'll hit yes, and then now you can kind of maneuver your picture around. Put it on one side of the cup or the other. It has little red lines to show you where the picture needs to be in. So if it's a little bit too big, you can make it smaller. If you want it on the outside of the cup, you put it here. If you want it on the left side, you put it right over here, and the right side right over here. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to stick it right in the middle so it has it on the outside. Over here in the right hand corner, you can email the proof to you. You can save the design in case you want to come back and use it for different products. You can redo and undo, and you can clear the design if you just want to start all over. So there we have our two doggies. We're going to put this over to the right side, and then I'm going to show you how to add some text to the other side. So here is the text area. We're going to type in the text that we want. Just go and Lou. Okay, and then you select this little button here, place text on product. Again, it'll take just a minute. You can make the text bigger. You can move it down, you can move it up, you get it however you like it. So we're going to put it right here in the middle. You can also align it center, left, right, make it bigger. make it smaller, change the font, all sorts of different fonts here. Do this Celtic one, you can do a Greek. Basically this is the fun part where you can kind of get in there and mess with, find a text that you really like. This one's called Poophead, sees future, you just basically just get in there, and it's up to you however you want the things to look, however you want them to come out. It's completely up to you. So we're going to go with that, put it right here, click back. Then you can also change the color, of course. Let's do a red. You can outline it, you can change the shape text, there's just tons of different options for however you want it to come out looking. So we're going to do a bottom one. We'll go back. Once you're done and you got your product the way you like it and you're ready to check out, you're going to come up here to the top right where it says save. You click on save. Template was saved. You hit OK. And it'll take a second, and boom, there we go. Ready to check out. It has the item number, what it is. This one obviously, is one size. There's not the different size of this coffee mug, but if it was a shirt, they would have small through, I think, 3 extra large. So make sure you check that. You'll have your different color choices here. Obviously, this is just white. How many you want. If you want one of them, you can do 1, you can do 5. You can do 10, however many you want. And if you realize when you get here that you messed up on something, you can redesign your product. So we want 10. We're going to add to cart. Okay. So it's going to give you your product total, how many you want, what the product is, how it looks like. You can edit it still. You can remove and start all over if you'd like. And then here we go with the shipping information. Obviously I'm not going to put all the information in here because we're not going to do an order, but this is where you put your name if you wanted attention to somebody, address, city, state, all that good stuff, email, the different type of shipping methods. You can do it overnight if you need it right away. You can get ground 4 to 7 days. Usually when you place an order, it'll ship within 3 to 5 days, so you're looking at a turnaround time of about about a week to 10 days. Sometimes it's quicker, but I would say that's a good rule of thumb. And you can also request an in-hand date. It doesn't always make it there, so I would suggest if you're going to order something that you either want to ship it overnight if you need it right away, or to give yourself, a good 10 days to get it in. Payment method. This will actually be a place where you can select your credit card information, put your credit card information right here, and then if you have a UPS or a FedEx number, you can put your carrier number there. It'll tell you the shipping and handling right over here, and then boom, you hit checkout. And when you hit checkout, you will get a confirmation receipt that shows what you ordered, shows all the pricing. They'll total up your shipping and handling for you, and that's about it. And so then from here, if you can go back to home, and you're back to the home page. And if you wanted a polo, you can select the polos. Basically, it's just the same process. And once you've designed something, your design will be there, and so you can put it on a polo. You can put it on a t-shirt, any of that type of stuff. So I hope this was informative. I hope this helps you get a better idea of our new website and how easy it really is to use and how many different options you have with it. If you have any questions, we're always available. www.powinkpromos.com